Hey everyone, it's me again, Carlo, and I'm here to show you what are the different options on the diary list. But first, let's make sure that your app is always up to date to the most recent version so that you can get the most out of it. Once your body diary app is up to date, let's get started. Okay, well what we have to do is just to go to the diary tab. That's the last button on the lower right hand side of the screen. And you will see all your weight entries. And as you can see, it's very simple. And a lot of you may wonder, where did your measurements go? Where are the photos that you have saved in your body diary app? Well, don't worry, this video is designed to show you how you will display your photos and your measurements and what are the different display options available for you. So all you have to do is to tap the menu or options so that this box or menu box will appear. Now, if you change something on this slider and if you do put a check mark on the check boxes that says photos and measurements, that will definitely change something on your diary list, the way the items are displayed. Now I'm playing around with the slider and you will see there's a difference on how your weight entry is displayed. So as I'm showing on this video, it showed that whenever I put a check mark on photos, it shows the photos I have on my app. It also shows measurements when I put a check mark on measurements. Now you can also put a check mark on both to display both photos and measurements. Going back to the slider, so if you put the slider on the second dot, it will show the notes that you have saved along with your weight entry. And if you put it on the third dot, it will show your BMI, your fat percentage, and the remaining weight before you hit your goal. So there you have it. Well, you can always play around with this option on the app. Do not be afraid because it's not going to change anything on your weight entry apart from the display. So with all that, I wish you good luck on your weight loss journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.